Hello everybody, my name's Megan and today I'm going to be teaching you how to clean the equipment at the MFC, like the treadmills, ellipticals, and cross trainers. So there are a few reasons why cleaning is important. A big reason is safety. Not cleaning the machines can lead to the spread of germs and diseases, which can get patrons sick. Another reason is that dust and sweat can accumulate on the machines and cause them to break down faster. And the last reason is that we want our patrons to enjoy a pleasant and well-kept environment. So we use two products to clean the machines at the MFC. One is Simple Green and the other one is CitraGuard. We use CitraGuard on the machines at all the parts where the patrons touch. For example, the handlebars and the keypad. We use CitraGuard because it's a strong disinfectant. And other places on the machine, all the plastic that we don't use CitraGuard on, we use Simple Green. This is because Simple Green is less corrosive than CitraGuard, but it still cleans. So when using CitraGuard to clean the machines, you want to spray the towel, and then just like I mentioned before, you want to wipe down everywhere where the patrons touch, so that would be the keypad and the handlebars. And then anywhere else that the patrons would touch. So Simple Green comes next, and what you clean with Simple Green is everything on the machine, all of the plastic that you haven't already done with CitraGuard. So starting from the back of the machine, that would be the side runners. And the plastic base. And then also the back of the machine. So now I'm going to teach you how to clean an elliptical. It's basically the same as this treadmill as far as Simple Green and CitraGuard go. With CitraGuard, you're going to spray the towel again and then clean everywhere that the patrons would touch, which would be the keypad and the handlebars. So Simple Green and elliptical is the same as the treadmills. You're just going to clean all of the plastic that hasn't been cleaned with CitraGuard. So starting on the back of the machine, you're just going to clean anywhere where you think dust or sweat could accumulate. On both sides. And then you're also going to clean the pedals.
So Megan, what happens if someone has a really good workout and there's some sweat on the floor?
So if you see sweat on the floor around the machine, you have to mop it up. On both sides. Okay, you also want to clean the back of the machine with Simple Green. So the last machine I'm going to teach you how to clean today is a cross trainer, and same rules for Simple Green and CitraGuard as the other two. So with CitraGuard, you're going to spray the towel and clean the keypad and anywhere that the patrons would touch. And there's two sets of handlebars. So Simple Green, we're going to Simple Green everything from the back to the front, all of the plastic. So starting at the back, do the pedals. And then also the back of the machine. Also the back of the machine. So we use 2 products to clean the equipment at the MFC. The first one is Simple Guard.
And what's the other one? Citric Green?